Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, and if you like Pokemon content, feel free to subscribe and like this video. I got a good video for today, and it looks like we're going to be doing not just one, but two Detective Pikachu boxes. And well, without further ado, let's get into them, I guess. These come with 4 promo cards. One beautifully sculpted Detective Pikachu figure standing on a magnificent magnifying glass. How nice. Here we go. We get a decent amount of booster pack. There's the promos right there. I guess I'll pop those out for you guys so you get a good chance to see them. Only gonna go over them once because there's a Bulbasaur. There we go. Pretty cool. There's that Pikachu looking through a magnifying glass. There's a Snubble. Looks pretty mad. And what else do we have here? We actually have a Psyduck. Looks like he's singing or something. Well, let's get into some of these booster packs here. Oh, let's not forget the little Pikachu. He's pretty cool. Standing on that magnifying glass. Huh. I'll set him right here. He'll be the little mascot here. Alright, we got... There's a card. Everybody likes those. Looks like we have 3 packs of Detective Pikachu. 4 cards in each pack. And we got 2 Sun and Moon. One is actually Burning Shadows. Cool. Get this garbage out of. Wow, that was loud. Anyway, let's get into this first pack. 4 pack. Oh, jeez. There we go. Almost got it open. Now, I'm going to be dropping Pokemon card opening videos. I'll try for at least once a week, if not twice a week. And before we get into it, let's give you guys that code. There we go. And we got ourselves a Lickitung, Jigglypuff, everyone's favorite fish, the Magikarp, that's pretty cool. Nice, and they're all holos as well. Alrighty. Actually, I really like that they're all holos. Alright, let's take a look at that card first. And we got Bulbasaur, another Lickitung, another Snubble, and a Mr. Mime holographic. Looks like he's having a pretty good time. And I'm going to go over all the cards there at the end of this first package. Wow, there's a lot of Lickitungs. That's one in all of them. And there we go. Another Lickitung, another Snubble, another Jigglypuff, and a Ditto. Copy anything. And let's get into these Sun and Moon packs. This is the Burning Shadows. And right off the bat, a Charmander. That's always nice to see. There's that card, guys and girls. Charmander, Oddish, Oregon, Caterpie, Electabuzz. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love GX cards. That's Sonic Volume. Nice. And the good old energy. Well, that was pretty interesting. A reverse rare was Electric Buzz, or Electrobuzz. And we got this as well. Set those aside. And let's get into this another Sun and Moon. Hope everyone had great holidays. It is January 2nd. Ooh. Feels like a heavy pack. Let's see what we got in here. And right off the bat, we got ourselves an Eevee on the top. Is that code? Eevee. Nice Meowth. Sandal. Crabrawler. Nice reverse rare. And just a normal rare. Fairy Energy. So nothing too special in there. It's just the reverse rare. And let's get on to the second package. And we already went over the promos at the start. Show them again right quick. Same promos. And we got some more packs here. Same packs as last time. The Sun and Moon. Here's that code. And there's another little Pikachu. I guess we'll put him out. So he has a buddy. There we go. I like these packs as they're all holos, but get the same holos all the time. The Lickitung, Jigglypuff, Psyduck, Magikarp, Machamp. Nice. See if we can get the camera to focus on it. Nice. Directing traffic he is. That's actually a really nice card. Your beautiful code, guys. Remember, guys, if you really like these videos, I'd love for you guys to subscribe. I'm a fairly new channel, so it'd mean a lot to me, I guess. Well, let's get a nice close-up on this Jigglypuff dancing his butt off. Psyduck, and it looks like you got a headache. Magikarp always flopping around. And beautiful. Greninja. All that crazy foliage. And the code. Almost forgot about it. Oh, seeing right off the bat, there's a Lickitung. Give you that code first. There you go, guys. Lickitung. Snubble. Jigglypuff dancing again. Ooh, and a beautiful Charizard, guys. Nice. That's actually really nice looking. That's an amazing pull. Nice. Centering's a little off. But either way, really nice. Really nice. Really, really nice. Code card, guys. Magikarp. Cute Fly. Pikachu. Reverse Rare. Meryl. See what we got here. Slowking. Slowking has the rare. Psychic Energy. And the Noctowl to end out the card opening. Actually, no, I almost forgot about this pack. We actually have one more pack, guys. And Drowsy. Grubbin. Pharaoh. Shelder. Pokeball reverse rare. Oh, beautiful, man. I think that is a secret rare, if I'm not mistaken. A Luna GX. Nice, nice, nice. Wish I had my sleeves downstairs here, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Energy. Rare candy. Focus in, rare candy. And the last code card, and there we go. Show you some of the pulls we got here. The main ones, at least. My favorite ones. These are the 3 favorite ones I have out of this pull. We actually have the Machamp, directing that traffic like a boss. Luna GX. Nice. And the Charizard. I want you guys to comment below if this was a good opening. And, well, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. And Pikachu says bye. See you guys later.